Hi everyone, glad you're joining me today. We're going to be working on this Google presentation for today, and this Google presentation is going to be um, taking the place of your reading, writing, grammar, and social studies because it does have quite a bit of activities in here that you need to complete. So once you're finished with this, you're actually finished with a lot of the assignments that you have for today. So the first thing I want you to look at is this first page here. This is just your title page. You're not going to do anything to this. On the second page, you have the text that I need you to read. Now, what I did is I included a video of me recording or me reading the text to you. You don't have to enlarge it. All you have to do is listen to it. There's really nothing that you're seeing. All it is just the text that's right in front of you. So if you're having trouble reading the text, just click on the video and you'll be able to hear me read it to you and you can follow along. Now, another thing that you have here is the markup you're reading. Here are some tools. They're basically just tools that you can use to underline important things that you want to remember or highlight some stuff. Now, when I click on it, you can see that in these two, they have circles at the end, and these are just to make them larger or make them smaller. To use it, all you're going to do is click on it one time and just drag it over. I can tell that I'm dragging it over because when I click on it, I see a plus sign show up. And when you see that, that means that I can just move and drag over. And there you can see also that this markup you're reading, the tool, it has several of the lines there for you to use. So you could use more than one line if you need to. This right here is the highlight tool. So you can just click and drag where you need to highlight the text. Now this one has boxes on the side, and for this one all you have to do is just click on the box and you can make it larger, as large as you want, to highlight certain parts of the text. Now let's say you make a mistake and I did not want to highlight this. Well, you can always go back to this tool right here and just click undo and your mistakes are erased. So you're going to read this text and then you're going to move on to slide number 3. And here you're just going to read the questions and answer it. Where it says type here, you're just going to click on it and just delete type here. And you can start typing. What does Cinco de Mayo celebrate? Cinco de Mayo celebrates. And you can just type whatever you need to type on there. Let's say I want to do something different to that. I don't want to use this color. For whatever reason, or I want to change the font, that I can go up here and change it to a different kind of font that I want. So let's say I want to use this one and I don't like the color, I want to change it, so I'm just going to click on the A here for the text color and I can change it to whatever font I want and color. Now I'm just going to take all that out. So that is your answer, your reading and answer. Now here on this slide number 4, it's a true and false. So you're just going to click on the boxes on the side and you're going to read it and drag it to wherever you think it should belong. Is it true? Cinco de Mayo is celebrated only in Mexico, or is that false? So you just drag it wherever you think these belong at. And then finally, the last slide you will work on is writing about Cinco de Mayo. So here you can go back to your story and look for 4 different facts, and this will help you with the markup you're reading. So let's say you're going to use the blue to underline 4 different facts from here, and you can just go and type it in right here. Once you figure out or look for 4 different facts about Cinco de Mayo, then you tell me about everything that you learned from the story. Cinco de Mayo is celebrated. In Mexico and the United States in honor of, and then you just keep typing everything that you need to, that you want to type there. It says here it's an informational text that you need to type, so make sure that you are typing an informational text. You don't give opinions on this text here. And that's all you're doing for today, everyone. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.